If you want to ask questions from your followers on the Instagram, you can do it with the help of your stories and a feature which is available in the Instagram, which I'm going to show you now, how to get an ask question feature on the Instagram and how can you use ask me question feature. That you have to first open the Instagram app and you have to press the plus button on the top left hand side alongside the your story, meaning by that you have to add it, you have to make a new story, the image you want to add, and then on the top you would see there are different options available to edit your story. You can add the text from the right hand side, you can add the free drawing, and then the third option from the right is the stickers. Once you will select the stickers, you will have a lot of different options available: location, hashtags, polls, and then there are on the third row first option is questions. You need to select that, and here you can ask a question to your followers. You can customize this ask question sticker by changing its color. The color can be changed from the color wheel which is on the top center. You can edit the question also, and after editing you can change the direction of the this sticker. You can increase the size, you can decrease the size of the sticker, and in your story if you want to add text or free drawing, you can also do that. So once you are done, you need to press the send to, and then you have two options. You can share this as a story and you can share this with the close friends. For the sake of this tutorial, we are sharing it on the story. So once you have selected the story, you just need to press the done, and this is how you can ask a question to your followers on Instagram with the help of your story. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, hit the like button, share and subscribe.